Here are the top 10 biggest churches in Nigeria in 2024 and its capacity. Christianity is the most popular religion in Nigeria. Nigeria is the number one in the world with the highest rate of churches. 49% of Nigerians practice Christianity. As the Christian community continues to grow and its congregation, ministers and general overseers are prompted to build mega churches. Some of these churches are biggest in the world, bigger than world-class football stadiums such as Stamford Bridge and Old Trafford. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe as we'll be revealing the top 10 biggest churches in Nigeria in 2024 and its capacity. Number 10 on the list today is Koza, the Commonwealth Zion Assembly with a seating capacity of 20,000. Koza was established by Pastor Abiodun with the goal to build a community for spiritual advancement and a place of worship. The church was founded in 1999 in Ilorin, Kwara State, the hometown of its founder, Pastor Abiodun. Since then, the church has grown to become one of the biggest churches in Nigeria, not just in Nigeria, but also in Africa and in the world, with several branches in Europe, America, and also Asia. The founder and general overseer, Pastor Abiodun, was born on the 1st January 1976 in Kwara State, Nigeria. He is the pastor and he is the general overseer of the church. He is married to Madele Abiodun, and in 2002, Busola, the wife of music star Timi Dakolu, accused him of sexual assault and rape, which he denied. The scandal was so massive that it led for him to step down as the general overseer of the church. Next on the list today is Dr. Jesus City, also known as Omega Power Ministry (OPM). It was founded in 2006 by Apostle Dr. Chebozo Gift Chinyere. OPM is one of the biggest churches in the South region. The church has over 300 branches across the country, and it also has branches in Republic of Benin, Ghana, South Africa, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, USA, and even Turkey. The church has over 4 million members all over the world. The founder and general overseer of the church is Apostle Chibuzo. He was born on the 22nd October 1973 in Abia State, Nigeria. After his education, he went to Lagos, where he joined the Mountain of Fire Ministry and became a freelance preacher of the gospel. Apostle Chibuzo said 4 years later he planned leaving Nigeria for greener pastures, but according to him, he said he was instructed by God to start up his own church, a church where he would do it by himself, where you will go and pray yourself out. Today, Omega Power Ministry is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria. Its headquarters in Port Harcourt has a seating capacity of 40,000. Mountain of Fire Ministries or Miracle Ministry was founded in Yaba, Lagos State, Nigeria in the year 1980 by Dr. Daniel. The church, which started in his home with just 24 members, today has over 7 million members worldwide with branches in over 40 nations across the world, in Africa, Europe, America, and even in Asia. Today, the church is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria, with the headquarters located in Lagos-Ibadan Expressway with a seating capacity of over 50,000 worshippers. Deeper Christian Life Ministry. It was founded in the year 1973 by Pastor William Kumuyi. It is an international Pentecostal denomination with its headquarters in Badaga, Lagos State, Nigeria. Its headquarters in Lagos hold the capacity of over 55 members every Sunday and with over 500 branches across Nigeria. The Deeper Life Church has branches in over 40 countries in the world, from African countries to Europe to Asia, Australia, and America. Its founder and general overseer, Dr. William Kumuyi, was born on the 6th June 1941 and is currently 82 years old. After his university, Kumuyi Williams began lecturing mathematics at the University of Lagos, and that was how he began his church with just 15 members, which were students in his school. Today, his church is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria, with its headquarters in Lagos, which has a seating capacity of 55,000 members. Next on the list today is the Lost Children Revival Movement. It was founded by Pastor Lazarus Moka, a Nigerian pastor, minister, author, and general overseer of the Lost Children Revival Movement. He was born into a Catholic family, but after school, he moved to Lagos in 1975. He said that God spoke to him in 1994, which prompted him to open his church, but started his church on the 3rd December 2002 with 10 members in a rented apartment. Today, the church is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria. It has its headquarters located in Oshodi Apapa Expressway in Surulere, Lagos. The church sits on a whopping 70 plots of land with a seating capacity of over 60,000 worshippers every Sunday. Each church members can easily be identified by their green vest, which is believed to contain protection and power. The church members are also banned from sins such as wearing a ring, makeup, attachment, bangles, or even wearing trousers. The Choosing Charismatic Movement is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria. It has over 10 million members worldwide, with 7,000 branches in Africa and also in California, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Georgia, Nevada, and also in Asia countries. In 2021, the General Overseer, Pastor Lazarus, said the Choosing Church has over 350 branches in Lagos alone, and also 100 in each state in Nigeria. Christ Embassy. Its founder, Pastor Christian Oyakilome, is a popular name in Nigeria. He was born on the 7th December 1963. He's a preacher, author, philanthropist, and the General Overseer of Christ Embassy. Pastor Chris Oyakilome hails from Edo State, Nigeria, and he founded his church, Christ Embassy, in the year 1987 as a prayer group while he was studying architecture at Ambrose University in Ekpoma with just 5 students. Today, Christ Embassy is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria with over 5,000 branches across the world. The church has over 5,000 branches across Canada, South Africa, United States, UK, and also Asia. Christ Embassy has one of the biggest headquarters among all churches in Nigeria with a seating capacity of 65,000 worshippers every Sunday. Dunamis International Gospel Center was once the biggest church in Nigeria with its headquarters located in Abuja. The church was once the biggest church in Nigeria with a seating capacity of 70,000 worshippers every Sunday, but the church is not the biggest church in Nigeria anymore. The church was founded by Pastor Dr. Paul Oneche on the 10th November 1996. Pastor Paul Oneche was born on the 4th June 1968 and he is currently 55 years old. He said he established the church due to God's instruction. Dunamis today is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria. It has over 600 branches in Nigeria with over 7,000 branches across the whole world with over 7 million followers around the whole wide world. Next on the list today is Living Faith, which is also known as Winners Chapel. It is not just one of the biggest churches in Nigeria, but also one of the biggest churches in the whole world. The church was founded by the presiding Bishop David Oyedepo, with its headquarters located in Ota, Ogun State, Nigeria. The Faith Tabernacle, with a 100,000-seat church auditorium, reported to be one of the biggest auditorium in the world by the Guinness Book of Records, with an overflow capacity of 250,000. The international headquarters of Winners Chapel is called the Faith Tabernacle and it covers a total of 70 acres of land, and the church complex is called the Canaan Land, the international headquarters in Ogun State. The Winners Chapel is one of the biggest churches in Nigeria and it is located in over 300 cities all over Nigeria with over 7 million members across the whole world. The church has over 7,000 branches, not just in Nigeria but in the whole world. Bishop David Oyedepo, which is the founder and the General Overseer, is not just one of the richest pastors in Nigeria, but also the richest pastor in the whole world. He has over 4 private jets and 3 universities. The church has a lot of schools, bakery, bottled water, petrol stations, shopping malls, restaurants, estates, and many more. And the church is currently building one of the biggest, that is going to be the biggest church in the whole world, a 120,000 capacity auditorium called the Ark, which is under construction and will be completed by 2025. Next on the list today is the Redeemed Christian Church. This is one of the biggest churches in the world, not just in Nigeria but in the whole world. It has one of the biggest auditorium. The church can accommodate a total of 110,000 worshippers at the same time. It also has one of the biggest branches in Nigeria. The church has over 7,000 branches all over the world. In Nigeria, it is said that the Redeemed Christian Church has over 120 branches in each state in the 30 states in Nigeria. And also, the Redeemed Christian Church has over 7,000 branches in the whole world, from the likes of Canada, the US, Dubai. Number 1 on the list today, it is not just the biggest church in Nigeria but also the biggest church in the world, is the Salvation Ministry, which is also known as Home of Success. It has a total capacity of 120,000 capacity. The church was established on the 13th April 1997 by author and general overseer David Ibiome. He was born on the 21st October 1962 in Bonny Island, Rivers State, Nigeria. He joined the Living Faith Church in 1995 before starting his own church in 1997. On a Sunday, with just 34 persons in attendance, the headquarters is located in GRA, Port Harcourt. He holds one of the biggest capacity, 120,000 worshippers at the same time. The seed temple, which has been completed, is called the Hand of God Cathedral, which is currently 120,000 seating capacity. The Salvation Ministry has over 1,000 satellite churches and 20,000 centers worldwide. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.